much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sick guys. I almost had supper with Jesus and Abraham yesterday, but God was like, no my child, they still need you on earth. Guys, this flu, and my little one was also sick last week. He had an ear and throat infection. He's much better now. But guys, this flu, I respect it. It makes you vomit, it makes you weak, it makes you shivery, it makes you cold. You sweat. 1 minute you are sweating, the next minute you are hot, the next minute you are cold. Guys, I went to the doctor yesterday. He gave me an injection and a lot of pills to take. I think it's like, these are the pills. I have to take 7 pills. I have to take 7 pills 4 times a day. Guys, this flu, please protect yourself. If this isn't COVID, guys, I don't know. Please really protect yourselves, guys. Like, stay warm, drink your turmeric, your ginger, your cayenne pepper, whatever, anything that everybody says it works, just try it out. Your vitamin C's, your oranges. I never took those things serious, but after I finish this medication, it's me and turmeric every night. You must steam, all those things, guys, because this flu is not a child's play. I'm booked off for 5 days at work because the doctor said I have a terrible flu. So yeah, 1 minute your temperature is high, your temperature is low. Guys, this flu, I salute it. Like, yeah, I just came in just to check in on you guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment and share. But I'm feeling much better than yesterday.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
Okay, this is what I'll have to print today. So that's a tracksuit, baby rompers, 2 white t-shirts, and then these ones are the ones that are giving me stress because I still have to wear this. This is the batch, it's like 20 t-shirts. So yeah, this is my afternoon for today, and there's load shedding now.
With you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing, Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing. there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
Can you guys please scream with me? All these clothes on top of my bed. All these clothes on top of my bed. All these clothes, I need to pack them right there. And I'm already lazy.
We talk on the phone every.
See you when I'm almost done. If I start. But how will I sleep? I've already started, so I need to finish. Because if I don't finish, where will we sleep?
Of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing